Other classes?
Recording in progress.
Okay. So, what exercise do you have a doubt in? Actually,
Ma'am, same 9.4.
9.4. Okay. 1 minute. Hope my whiteboard is visible to you. Yes. So, which question in 9.4 exercise?
Ma'am, the second one and the fifth one, ma'am.
Second one I explained yesterday, right?
Ma'am, I still don't get why 9,680 and 8,000 become 121 and 100.
1.21. Why it becomes 1.21, right?
Cancel it. Show.
Yes. I'll 1 minute. Let me just testing right now.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Sunil.
In text questions 9.4, I'm not able to do. I solved question 1, 2, and 3. I'm not able to do
4 and 5,
4
right?
and 5. Especially not 5.
Especially not 5. Okay.
Because I solved 4, but I got the wrong answer every time. But
Mhm.
5, I'm not able to solve it.
Okay, no issues. We will solve it, okay? 4 and 5, I think Anaya also has the doubts in it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so second one,
Who played the guitar?
CH3. Sorry,
Who played the guitar?
who plays the guitar? Who played the guitar?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, one sound I heard, guitar sound.
Yeah, my brother's playing.
Oh.
Okay, so this were being compounded half yearly Edric. So R by 2 by 100. Okay,
Now, which question
you
is
can do
this?
it. This is the second question from exercise 9.4. Okay, and see Edric.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
did you already explain 9.4 question number 2 yesterday?
Yes, I explained, but he was having a doubt in it.
Okay.
So, yes. So, see, here, 2n, okay? And r by 2, why didn't I took this 100? This thing you wanted to ask. See, we are calculating to find out rate, okay? Rate. So, you can take this 100 here, okay? Or you can multiply your final answer at the end also. Okay, you can multiply your final answer. Please don't write on the screen. Check whose pen is doing it.
Not mine.
Right. So this 100 Edric, which we take in the formula usually, this is my formula, P1 plus R by 2 by 100 raised to the power 2n. This 100 you can either take it here or you can use it later. Okay, why I used it later yesterday? So that this can be simplified. Okay, to simplify it, make it simpler, I use the 100 at the end. Okay, you can use it here also. Okay, both the methods are correct. And second doubt was why I did, like this was the question, 9680 by 8,000. 8,000 was here first because it was a principal. 8,000.
Ma'am, is
Then
the answer
1
to this question 20% or equals to
20% is the answer. Yes, Anaya. 20% is the answer. Okay. R by 2 because R we don't know. Raised to the power 2. Okay. So then we took this 8,000 here. That is 9680 by 8,000 we did equals to 1 plus R by 2 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now how this 1.21 came? You divide 9680 with 800. Okay, Andrej, you can cancel zeros. You can cancel it more to the last and then divide. Or you can cancel 968 with 800. Okay, when you divide this thing, you will get 1.21 here. Okay, which is equals to 1 plus R by 2. This I explained. Okay, now here square is there. Okay. Here raised to the power 2 is there. So to remove this raised to the power 2, we will do the square of this number also. Okay, 1.21. So 1.1 is its square root. 1.1 ka whole square equals to 1 plus r by 2 ka whole square. So we can cancel the whole squares. So it becomes 1.1. 1.1 equals to 1 plus r by 2. Okay. Then after that, you got it, right? We will subtract 1 from both the sides to find the value of r. Okay. 1 from both the sides, we will subtract 1 from this side and 1 from this side. Then you will solve it. You will take r on this side, the number on that side. You will get 0.2. Okay. If you have removed the hundreds from this formula and solved it, like I showed, you will get 0.2. Then you can multiply it with 100 to get your rate 20%. Okay, this I explained yesterday. Or if you will use 100 here, okay, if you will use 100 here as it is, okay, you will directly get 20% in this step. Okay, after this step, you will directly get 20%. Okay, 100 I removed to make it easier, okay, so that it can be calculated easily. All right, now is it clear? Hello, I hope I'm audible. Not clear? You can unmute yourself and tell me if the question clear or not. Okay.
It's clear.
Okay, Sunil. Please check whose this thing is working on again on the screen. Okay. Yes. So question 3 was clear.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question index questions 9.4 question number 3.
Okay. Okay, Anaya. So we will see your doubt now of the third question. Can you tell me the values?
Yeah, just give me a minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Just give me a minute.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Amount is 12,100. Amount is 12,100. Principal is 10,000. N is 2 years. And you have to find the rate, and it's compounded annually.
Annually. Okay. Yes. So, Naya, in this question also, same thing we are going to follow. Okay, put the amount formula equals to P1 plus R100 raised to the power n. Okay, amount is 12,100, principal 10,000, 1 plus R we don't know, rate 500 to the power 2. Okay, now we will take this 100 on this side. Okay, so it becomes 12100 divided by 10,000 equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 2. Okay, so zeros and zeros you can cancel. So I have the 1 by 121 by 100 equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 2. Okay, now this 121 and 100 also I will make it square, okay? Because we have to cancel the n, right? So 121 is the square of what number? We know 11, okay? 11 times 11 and 100 is of 10. 10 times 10 is 100. We can replace it like this. 11 by 10 raised to the power 2 equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 2. Now you can cancel the 2. Okay. You will have 11 by 10 equals to 1 plus R by 100. Now this R is a variable, so number will take on one side, variable value will take on the other side. So this 1 I can take on this side. Okay, so it's plus 1 on my right side. When I take it to my left, it will become minus 1. So I can write like this. 11 by 10 minus 1 equals to R by 100. Okay, take LCM, subtract it. Okay, you will get 1 by 10. 10 equals to R by 100. Okay, now when it's equal to, I told you guys, when its fraction equals to sign is there, we can cross multiply. Okay, we can cross multiply. So I will get 10R equals to 100 ones are 100, 100 into 1 is 100, R equals to, now you can take 10 below 100 like this. Okay, cancel, R is 10%.
Thank you, ma'am. I have two more doubts in 9.4 only. It's question 4 and question 5.
Okay, those are common doubts. 4 and 5 are doubts for Simeon, and fifth is a doubt for Edric. And I think Abraham also has doubt in it, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am, can you just explain me this, ma'am?
which part?
Ma'am, this part, could you just explain again? I understood the other part.
Okay. See, what I did, Abraham, this is my formula for amount, okay? In compound interest, we use this formula to find out the amount. Okay. So, you put the values, okay? That is, amount is 12,100, put 12,100. Then in the place of principal, you put 10,000. Then 1 plus r we don't know, so write r as it is, whole square 2. Okay, n is 2. Then this 10,000 I can take here below 12,100. Okay, here I can take it on this side. So here it's in multiplication. When I take it on my left side, it will become divide. Okay, it will come down of, it will come in the denominator place of 12100. Okay, so you
Ma'am,
can
I
write,
cannot see
yes,
anything on the board. Ma'am, I can't see the board. It's only a white screen.
okay, so check your network once. Is it visible to others? Hello, I hope the rest of you all can
Still
see
no,
the
ma'am.
screen. Still no? Still no? Okay. You can log out and log in once.
Ma'am,
Okay,
okay,
log
ma'am.
out and log in. Yeah, log out and log in once. Okay. Okay. So let's check out the next one. Okay. The fourth question. Yes, Abraham, now is it visible?
Ma'am, still no. I can just see a blank screen. Ma'am,
Okay,
just give me a
Anaya.
minute. I'll
Maybe
just
your
try.
screen is moved aside. So you'll find a hand sign on the right side below your screen, okay? If you press it, you can drag the screen and then maybe you'll find the writing of ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see the screen now.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Yes. So I was explaining you that 10,000 becomes the denominator here. Okay. Now you can cancel the two zeros of 12100 and 20 of 10,000. We will get 121 by 100. Now 121, its square root is 11. Okay. 11 into 11 is 121. And 10 into 10 is 100. So that is why we have written 11 by 10 whole square. 10 whole square cancels, and from here, you know. Okay, so I hope this is clear now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, 11 by 10
yes.
is, ma'am, is 9,680 by 8,000 is only this 11 by 10.
Okay. Principal, in time we are having 6 months. Okay, and this is compounded quarterly, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. This is compounded quarterly.
Okay. So 6 months means 2 quarters.
This is
Okay.
the fourth problem in text questions 9.4, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Anil. 9.4, fourth problem. Okay. So the power becomes 2. So, because in 6 months, 2 quarters are there. Okay. In 6 months, 2 quarters are there. So let's put the amount formula. Principal 1 plus r by 4 by 100 4n. Okay, so amount is how much? 6760. Principal is 6250. 1 plus r we don't know. R by 4 as it is. 100. 2. Okay. So 6250.
Go a bit slower, I want to copy it.
Yes, Onion. So 6250, I will take to my left side. Okay. So 6,
Ma'am, which
7.
question is this?
This is index question 6.4, fourth question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 9.4.
Yeah, 9.4.
You just said 6.4.
So sorry. I'm working with 6,760 and 6,250. Maybe that's why. Anyways, so 6760 divided by 6250
I didn't
equals
understand
to,
this part. How did the n become 2?
because look over here, time is 6 months. Okay. And it is telling you that it is compounded quarterly. Quarterly means in 6 months, how many quarters are there? Like, of how many months? One
quarters.
quarter is 3. 1 month, sorry, 1 quarter equals to
6
3
months
months.
is
So
half,
6,
and 1/4 is 1 by 4. So there are two 1 by 4 in 1/2.
yes, yes. Okay. So that is why we use 2. Okay, so then r by 4 by 100 raised to the power 2. Then you cancel the 0 and the 0. Okay, now we have 676 and 625. Because it's square on my right side, here also I will do its square. Okay, so you can do factorization to find the square. Okay, or if you can directly find, you can do it directly. No problem. Okay, if you find it tough, you can always do factorization. So 26.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
I have a question.
Yes.
How did 4 become 2?
4n, this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 4n is my formula. Okay, Abraham, 4n is my formula. Okay, but in time, I have 6 months. Okay, time, I have 6 months. So in 6 months, what happens? How many quarters are there in 6 months? 2 quarters. Okay, so that is why we have used 2. 2 quarters. Okay, the screen is glitching for me so much. Oh, someone's pen is
Someone is drawing on it.
Yeah. Please check whose pen it is.
Not me, ma'am.
Ma'am, not me. I'm trying to erase it, ma'am.
Me
Yes.
too. Yeah. I think when you guys are using, I don't know, computers or laptops, I think when it touches your small pad is there na, to write, when something
Because
your
it's in the
hand,
pencil mode, so when you're moving it around, it will touch that.
yeah. So that's why. Okay, so yeah, I was explaining 26 by 25 whole square 2. Okay, now you can cancel them. 2 and 2. So it becomes 26 by 25. 26 by 25 equals to 1 plus r by 4 by 100. Okay, so 1, then I can take on this side. Okay, because variables one side and numbers on the other. So 26 by 25 minus 1 equals to r by 4 by 100. Okay, so take LCM and subtract it.
Ma'am, 1 by 25.
1 by 25. R by 4 by 100. Okay, now what we can do, we can cross multiply.
Maybe 25 into 100. No, sorry. 4 into 100. R into 4 into 100. R by
Ma'am, I
4.
had different way, ma'am.
You used a different way.
Ma'am, I did 25 r by 4 equal to 100, which is 400 by 4. So that means
Very good.
25 r equal to 400, r equal to 16.
Yes, that's right, Edric. So see, that's what I'm going to explain. 100 into 1. Okay, this is r upon 4. Okay, so 25, because we're cross multiplying, 25 will multiply with r upon 4. So when we are multiplying a number in a variable, what it becomes, here it's 1, it becomes 25 r upon 4 equals to 100. Okay, now again you can cross multiply 4 and 100. 4 and 100, okay? So it will become 25 r equals to 4 into 100 is 400. 25 r equals to 400. Now this 25 will go below 400. Okay, that is r equals to 400 divided by 25. Okay, so my r will be,
I'm getting confused. I didn't understand it.
you didn't understand? No problem, I'll explain again. Okay. See, Simeon, till here it's clear?
Till the cross multiplication part. But how you did the cross multiplication, I did not understand.
Okay, no problem. Suppose I have r upon 4 here and r upon 4 here. Okay, so now cross multiplication means you multiply this thing with this thing and this thing with this thing. Okay, so 25 into, this is r by 4 here. So 25 into r by 4 everything. Okay, and then 100 into 1. Okay, so what I explained, see, when we multiply variable and a number, suppose 26 into s, okay, it will become 26s. You just put them together. Okay, so 25 into r we have here in this step, it becomes 25r. Okay, upon 4 as it is, equals to 100 ones are 100. Okay, then you take 4 of the denominator again, it's equals to sign again, we can cross multiply 4 and 100. Okay, so 4 into 100 is 400. Okay, so that's how this step came. 25r equals to 4 into 100, 400. Okay, then we know that when we are having like this, we can just take this number below 400 as its denominator. Okay, because variable one side and number on the other side. Here, 25r is in multiplication. When you take it to the right side, it will become, who cleared the screen, guys?
Someone clear it now. I can't copy
Not
anymore.
me.
Ma'am, I don't know how to clear the screen.
Hey, someone's
I don't
writing L on the screen.
I don't know, I'm not getting this. lean back also. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, so till where have you copied? Please
Till
move
that
your
part. Till that part where it's 24 hour by 400.
24 hour by 400. Okay.
No, 25 R by 400.
25 hour by 400. Um, please check, guys. It's really getting bad. Check whoever's
I think someone's
doing
trying to
your
write weird because it was like WIE and I got erased and then RD.
Yeah, just move your hand, your copy, whatever, away from your keyboard, okay, or your laptop keyboard, all right? And please don't touch anything right now, okay? Yes. So, Simeon, I was explaining 24 R by 4.
25 R.
Yes, 25 R. 25 R by 4 equals to 100. You multiply, you will get 25 R equals to 4 into 100. 25 R equals to 400. Okay, now this is in multiplication here, so I can take it on that side and it will become division. Okay, that is why it became 400 by 25. Okay, divide it and you will get R equals to 16%. Okay, now it's clear, Simeon?
Yeah.
Okay, and copied?
No, I'm still copying. Just 1 second.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
Yes, Cedric.
ma'am, fifth question 9.4.
I will take, okay? Right after this, I will explain the fifth question.
I'm done.
Okay. What is this?
Ma'am, Abraham is doing this.
No, ma'am, I'm not doing it. I'm trying to erase it.
Okay. I don't know. It's accidentally happening from any one of your devices. Okay. But please move your hand and your notebooks, whatever material, away from the keyboard screen. Okay. From the keyboard or from the laptop keyboard. Okay. Take
Okay,
it
ma'am.
away. Yeah. Let's see question fifth. Question fifth, we will see. Okay. Can you tell me the value, Cedric?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the value is 18522.
Principal is 16,000.
Okay.
Time is 9 months and is compounded quarterly.
Compounded quarterly. Okay. So let's see. And first, the amount formula. Okay. Now in 9 months, it's being compounded quarterly. So in 9 months, how many quarters are there?
3, ma'am.
That would be 3
Yes,
because it's 9
three
by
quarters.
no 12 by 9. Yes.
Yes. So 3 quarters. Okay. So n will become 3. Okay. Let's put the values. 18,522.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. How can the quarters be 3? Is because 3 times 3 equals to 9. So there can only be 3 things, right?
In a year, there are 4 quarters of 3 months each. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but if there is 9 months, then 3 months each. 3 quarters will be there. Okay. So please take the
Ma'am,
shape out. Okay. So and again, principal
Ma'am,
16,000. Yes, ma'am.
will this also be 18522 divided by 16,000 equals to 1 plus r by 4 by 100?
Yes, Anand. Yes. Okay. Same thing. All right. But you might not be able to find out the cubes of 18,522 and 16,000. So you first divide it. Okay. First divide it and then you do the cube root. Okay. Let's see how. 1 plus r by 4 500 raised to the power 3. Okay, so take 16,000 this side, 18,522 by 16,000 equals to 1 plus r by 4 500. Okay, now divide 18,522 and 16,000. Okay, first cancel as much as you can and then you divide it.
Ma'am, someone raised it again.
Ma'am, why did you write 2? Ma'am, it's 3.
Sorry, 3. One 1.1576 you will get. Okay, equals to 1 plus r by 4 500 whole cube. Okay. Now 1.1576 is the cube of 1.05. Okay. Then
Ma'am,
yes,
why did you write it in decimal, ma'am?
because first you will cancel them as much as they can cancel. Then you divide them, and when you divide them ultimately, you will get 1.1576, okay? That you will get. And then when you do its cube, you will be getting 1.05 whole square 3. Why I divided it? Because directly you will not be able to find out the cube roots for 18,522 and 16,000. Okay, so this method is where you are subtracting 1 from both the sides. Okay, the method where you will subtract 1 from both the sides, the one I teach yesterday. Okay, so when you are directly not able to find square root or cube root, any of it, this is the method that we will use. Okay, this is the method with which you find the answers. All right, so now I have 1.05 equals to 1 plus r by 4 by 100. Okay, this I
Ma'am, why
have.
is the bracket still there?
Sorry,
Why
what
is the
did you say?
bracket still there? Bracket.
Brackets still there. You can remove the bracket, no problem. Now subtract 1 from both sides. So 1.05 minus 1 equals to 1 plus
Ma'am, equals to
r.
0.05.
Yes, very good. 1 and 1 cancels, and 1.05 minus 1 is 0.05 equals to r by 4 by 100.
I didn't understand that.
You didn't understand what?
Ma'am, now when we cross multiply,
Yes, you can cross multiply. Find cross multiply and find it out. See, Simeon, what I did here, Simeon, I subtracted 1 from both the sides, okay, from this side and from this side and this side. So this side, when plus 1 and minus 1 came, they're having two same
ma'am, the
values,
rate
one
is
positive and
20%.
negative. Yes,
Yes,
Anaya,
ma'am. I
the
have
rate
got
is
20.
Yes, 20%,
very
ma'am.
good. Okay, so then, yeah, it's 20%. Oh my God. Yeah. So, what I was saying, yeah, when you're having a positive and negative integers, you cancel them, okay? Simeon, plus 1 minus 1 on this side gets cancelled. And this side gets cancelled. So we are having r by 4 by 100. Now, you can cross multiply 100 and 0.05 and tell me what you will get. Yes, Anaya. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Anaya. Have you understood?
Yeah. But
Very
can you
good.
go a bit slower because I can't hear so well over here slightly.
Okay, Simeon, definitely I will go slower. The last one that I had shown you, I think that was the second question. Edric was
Ma'am, why did
asking.
you clear the screen?
I haven't cleared the screen.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, but one part of it is gone.
I know I did
Yes,
volume
ma'am,
change.
the right part of it is gone.
Did you guys wrote it?
No, ma'am, I was writing and then it just went.
I've written it, ma'am, but I got 20%.
Me too.
I've got to really fix this screen sharing thing.
But why are you subtracting 1 from both sides?
To find out the value of R singing, okay?
Ma'am, are you doing it because to bring it on the other side, the sign will change, become the opposite?
Um,
For
yeah,
example,
that
from 1 plus r by 4 by 100 to 1.05 will become minus 1, not plus 1.
No, you said subtract 1 from both sides. So 1
So when
from
you're
either side
subtracting
and
from 1.05, it will automatically be gone from r by 4 by
mm-hmm.
100.
Yes, that is right now. Okay. So Simeon,
no,
that
but
way
I
is
didn't
also
understand
correct.
one thing because you said both sides. So I thought it's R by 4 by 100 also minus 1.
See, Simeon, this is just an alternate way of doing it. Okay. Both you can follow anything. Okay. If you subtract it from both sides, it will automatically cancel on this side. Okay. It will cancel. 1 and plus 1 minus 1 will cancel, and you'll be left with R by 4 by 100. Okay, or if you bring this plus 1 on this side as minus 1, then also you'll be left with R by 4 by 100. Okay, so those are just two different methods, but same thing you will get. Any you can do. Okay, alright, if this is confusing, subtract 1 from both sides gets confusing. You can just simply follow 1.05.
Ma'am, you're at 1.5.
Okay, 0.5 minus 1 equals to R by 4 by 100. This thing is also correct. Okay. That was just an alternate way to get the same outcome. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Right. 5 equals to R by 4. Or R upon 4. So you can cross multiply 5 into
5
4
into 4,
equals
20.
to R. Yes. So rate is 20%. So hope this question is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was copying the part that got erased before, ma'am. So now what should I do?
Now you've written this part that continues before.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm writing it.
Writing. Okay. So today we did difficulties till 9.4. Till 9.4 we did this. And tomorrow we can take 9.5, okay? And 6 also. Okay, so it's
ma'am.
there is no rush, okay? No hurry. We will stop now. We'll stop it here. And we will take more of your difficulties in the next coming days. All
One
right?
second, I'm still.
Yes, I mean, you can
Now, what
write.
about 9.5 and 9.6?
Sorry.
What about 9.5? Next question is 9.5 and 9.6.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
When is the marks test on Friday?
Math test on Friday is not of this chapter, okay?
It's
It's
not this chapter. Which chapter is it, ma'am?
I think it's the fourth or the third chapter. Third
Third.
chapter, right? Yes, third
Okay.
chapter, right?
Ma'am,
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yes, Edward.
ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, you can leave, okay? Bye. See you
Yeah.
tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, so I'll be sharing the paper, science paper at 4, okay? And 4 p.m.
Ma'am, I told you on Monday that I'll be able to do it only after 7 p.m. because I have music class.
Okay, ma'am. You can do it after 7 p.m., okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Abraham and Samin can do at 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 hours time limit it is, okay? 3 hours time limit. Alright, so you guys can finish it. Try to finish it within the time limit, okay? Within 3 hours. Have you all copied it, the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Alright, guys. Then
Ma'am, one question, ma'am. How long will we get time for revision, ma'am?
um till 4, if I share the paper, will you be able to revise it till 4?
Ma'am, 'cause no, I'll not be able to revise everything by phone.
Okay. Alright. So 4:10 I'll be sharing, okay? 15 minutes you have for revision. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, 4:10 I'll share the paper. Okay. And from 4:10, 3 hours you people will have. Try to finish within 3 hours, okay? Alright. See you all then. See you tomorrow. All the best for the test. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Simon. Bye, Naya.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Simon. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.